Hi everyone, how's everybody doing? Hi Amilcar, hi Lanaya, hi Samantha, hi Gary, Leo, hi Jason, hello, and Ernie, hello. I hope everybody is doing good, keeping safe and healthy. First of all, I want to say thank you to everybody for logging on, all of those who are trying very, very hard to get credit and win those gift cards. Thank you all so very, very much. And let's get started. So this week we're going to work on consonant blends. Consonant blends are blending sounds that we put in the beginning or the end of a word that does not have a vowel. Consonant means letters that are not vowels, not A, not E, I, or U. They cannot be those letters. So let's look at the first one. ST, st, st. That is a consonant blend. MP, mp, mp. And ST again. And LF, lf, lf. And the ch, ch, or sh, sh. Okay, these are all consonant blending sounds that we will put in front of our letters, or in front of our words. And the beginning first one is, let's look for something that we can think of. First, let's just see what the pictures are. This is a couch. This is a lamp. This is stairs. This is a stool. This is a shower. And this is a shelf. Okay, so let's see what the first one says. I think this one at the end, I believe it says airs. So let's look at the word and see what we think it might say. Can we put a st in front of airs? It will say stairs. So when we put the st sound, the S and the T, we will make the word stairs. Let's look at the next one. Cow. Well, this sounds like a couch, right? So it could be this picture, couch. Listen closely and tell me what sound or blending consonant do you think is going to go at the end. Couch. If you said this one, then that is correct. So let's put the C, H. So you guys are going to do it in your answer box, okay? I don't want you to try and do this unless you know how. Okay, you can go ahead and click on there, but I want you to try and do your answer box just in case one day I don't have any boxes for you to type on. So go ahead and follow along and you can do your answer box in here. Okay, let's continue. The next word is she, right? This looks like it says she, but it's missing two consonants here, a consonant blend. We have st, mp, st, elf. Sh, elf. Could it be this picture? Shelf. Yes, it is. It is a shelf. So we're going to go ahead and type L and an F. Next one is ooh. When we see those two O's together, it's going to make a ooh sound, okay? This one, stool. So let's put that blending sound that we hear. It can't be can't be can't be sh. So it's a stool. Okay, so let's type in our S and we're going to type in our T. You are going to type in your answers here. Next one is hour. Well, this one ends with the hour sound. This picture here, if we put the sh, hour, sh, hour. So let's go ahead and do that. Shower. Oh, see, I don't have a text box here, so Let me show you how to do this. All I have to do is do this, click here, and voila, I have a text box. Then I'm going to use my arrows, but I have to click on it so I can drag it up. So then you can play with this and make your own. Okay, so all I'm doing is just scooting it over. You can make it longer, you can make it bigger. And inside, once you click inside of there, you change your font size right here. And I'm gonna go big, 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 like 24. That's normally what I use. So now I can type in the S and the H. Shh. S space space H. Now it will say shower. Okay. Last one we have here is la. Last picture, lamp. You're right. It's the mp, lamp. So let's click in our box, put an M, space, space, and a P. Now we click off of it, and it says lamp. Okay guys, well, hope you liked my video. Just in case you guys didn't remember or don't know how to turn in your work, you do not need to hit the share button, okay? You do not need to hit that. You do not need to hit the share button. No necesitas presionar compartir, okay? So just type in your answers into slide 2 down here. This one's slide 2. This is where the video goes, okay? What you need to do is when you're up here at way in the top, click out of this page, click out of here, go back to your assignment, and you will have a box that says, down here I wrote, it says mark as done, mark as done, okay? Once you see that, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to be able to turn it in. That's all you have to do. Just mark your work as done. Okay guys, have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.